If you're looking for the best investment courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share the top 3 investment courses based on ratings, reviews, credibility, and real-world value. Before we begin, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Investment and Portfolio Management from Rice University. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.5-star rating and more than 2,700 reviews. You'll learn portfolio management, investment strategies, risk analysis, capital markets, and asset management through a structured learning path. At number 2 is Investment Management from the University of Geneva. This popular specialization has a 4.7-star rating and nearly 8,000 reviews. It covers portfolio management, wealth management, financial planning, risk management, and investment analysis. It's an excellent choice for aspiring investors. Taking the top spot is Financial Markets from Yale University. This best-selling course has a 4.8-star rating and more than 32,000 reviews. Taught by Nobel Prize winner Robert Shiller, it explains financial markets, investing, portfolio risk, banking, and behavioral finance in a way that's easy for beginners to understand. Here's why Coursera Plus is worth considering. Individual courses and specializations often cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you also want to study finance, business, accounting, economics, or data analysis, those costs can add up quickly. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations with one subscription. The current offer gives you 40% off your first 3 months, lowering the price to just $35.40 per month instead of $59. Check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description.